अच्छा, देखें एक्सरसाइज नंबर 34 यानी हम सिर्फ आपके लिए रीडिंग करते हैं, बाकी आप प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे। यहाँ से शॉर्ट हैंड से भी यानी 3-4 मरतबा आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, फिर आप की में जाएंगे यानी जहाँ पर अंग्रेजी है तो वहाँ से आप 20 या 25 मरतबा फिर आप खुद प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। हम सिर्फ आपके लिए क्या करते हैं यानी आपको हम पढ़ाते हैं कि ये हम किस तरह यानी रीडिंग हम किस तरह करेंगे। देखें, when can you sweep the acid you sold to us last month? We are as busy as we can be. किस तरह लिखेंगे यानी as we can be, as we can be। ये जो सर्कल है, लार्ज सर्कल है, ये as we के लिए, as we can be। just now, just now। अच्छा, and the delay is causing much annoyance, annoyance इस तरह to our customers, customers इस तरह लिखेंगे as well as loss to ourselves। अच्छा, फिर कहता है you can rely on receiving the acid, acid इस तरह हम लिखेंगे acid in 2 days it will leave this city, this city यानी ये 2 मरतबा एस आया है तो हम लार्ज सर्कल लिखेंगे। ये 2 एस रिप्रेजेंट करता है ये सर्कल। दिस सिटी tomorrow and we assume it will reach you the next day। we must, we must। अच्छा, फिर कहता है we must apologize for the delay owing, ये short form है, to the heavy losses caused by the fire at our factory last month। our stocks became too low। we are making up, making up, making up इस तरह लिखेंगे for last time as fast as, किस तरह लिखेंगे as fast as we can। अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 37 we are having a special sale of our essences, essences, S-A-N और ये sees, essences as it is necessary। किस तरह लिखेंगे as it is necessary, as it is necessary to dispose of some of our stock as early as possible। how as early as possible। how much shall we set aside, aside ये इस तरह हम लिखेंगे set aside for you। as we know ये क्या है as we know, ये लार्ज सर्कल as we के लिए। as we know just what you can use we can if you like select a dozen cases and you can take them as soon as you are ready। अच्छा, ये हो गया। अच्छा, देखे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 38 we fear the, we fear the cost of your still fancies, fan और ये sees still fancies is too high although we have, although we have इस तरह लिखेंगे but them each season, season C और ये FN season for the past 6 years we think we shall lose business because we have, किस तरह लिखेंगे because we have, because we हैव इस तरह लिखेंगे, टू चार्ज टू मच फॉर देम in this city we must sell at low rates if we are to make a success. क्या है ये success of our business. Owing to this fact we have to emphasize the necessity of reducing as much as possible the costs of our customers. Can you suggest something which will assist us? अच्छा